There are 5 apps that I use in my daily life. FxSound. This app enhances system sound quality. It comes with custom preset that I can choose depending on the scenario, whether I am gaming or watching a movie. The UI looks incredibly premium, like high-end paid software, but it is completely free app. And this is with FxSound.
The greatest technician that's ever lived.
And this is without FxSound.
The greatest technician that's ever lived.
Revo Uninstaller. When I install a program, it leaves behind a massive trail of leftover junk and registry files that clog up system. So when I want to uninstall any app, I use Revo Uninstaller. For example, if I want to uninstall Microsoft Edge, I will right click and click on uninstall. Okay, I don't care. Now it is asking for a system restore point that I don't want to create. That's why I will uncheck and continue. Now it will uninstall the app. After that program is uninstalled, I can delete the leftovers of that app by selecting all and clicking on delete. QuickLook. I really like a feature on macOS. When you select a file and press spacebar, it opens a quick preview of that file. This app adds that feature to Windows. Just click the file, tap the spacebar, and this opens a quick preview of the file. Twinkle Tray. Mostly I use my PC at night time and I have dark mode turned on, but some apps just don't support dark mode. When I open them, they flash in my eyes and I have to lower the brightness. And I hate to press the buttons on the backside of the monitor, but with this app I can do this with a slider. Everything. Windows File Explorer search is terrible. It takes centuries to load and half the time it doesn't even find what I am searching for. But with this app, I can search for any file on my computer and it finds that in seconds. I created one folder in my documents directory named folder 1 and second one in deep Windows folder. So now if I search for folder 1, it didn't find what? Oh, there it is. Now let's search for folder 2. There it is. And you can see it finds these in literally seconds. And that's it. Bye bye.